Okay, so we will be installing a remote start today. So here's all the module wires and everything that you need to install. And here's the remote, right? And so we're gonna put this remote starter onto this vehicle, 2017 Hyundai Elantra. So to begin this process, you're gonna have to remove pretty much here underneath panel. So you're gonna need the access from the ignition wire. So this is gonna have to be removed. This is gonna have to be removed. Okay, so you have one screw over here to remove. There's one screw there, and you have to remove this side panel, and it will expose these screws, right? Those two screws you have to remove. So here you go. After you take the screw out, you just kind of pull this panel out, and there's a two tab on this side for this OBD2 port, and then you kind of squeeze on this side, then pull. There you go. Put this somewhere, and then this is an airbag, so don't touch this. So what we need is to access this fuse box and the ignition wires. Okay, so there's a screw here underneath for the ignition wire. So there's a screw there, you have to take it out. See the ignition key, the bottom of it, there's a screw, one screw there, and then you pop this cover on the steering, pop this cover, and then you have another screw here. So you have one here and you have one on the other side, right? So you have to take that out. So once you take the screws, the top, so this cover will just come out like that, steering cover. So now we have an access for at the bottom, right? So this is the wire that we need. This is for the ignition wire, and this is for the parking light wires. So but first you're gonna have to take these ignition wires out, because that's what you need. Alright, so I'm done wiring the ignition. So I already plug it in, but the wire for the starter is white, because it's just a basic wire that you have to hook it up here. So starter wire is white color, and the ignition wire is pink, and the second the accessories is black, right? And your 12 volts is red. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so your parking light wire, it's gonna be on this switch here. See this plug here? There's a black connector here, and the blue wire, that is your negative parking light wire. Okay, that's on the right side of the vehicle. Alright, so your brake lights would be here on the brake switch on the top here, and it's color green. Okay, where is it? Right there, that switch there, the plug there, right? The color green, it's your brake light. Okay. Okay, so it's done. So all the wire is tucked in now, as you can see. Right, so all you need now is to put everything back. Okay, it's finally done. As you can see, everything is good. Everything is back. Right, everything is back, nice and clean. So we'll see if it works. So this is a two-way remote, so we should see if it's locked or unlocked. So right now we press this. So right now the car is locked, right? And you would see there also that it's locked. And when you press the unlock, right, it will unlock. For the first press, it's for driver side door. The second press would be the old door will be open. There you go. So now the old door is open, and again it's locked. And to remote start it, just press this lightning button here until it beep. There you go. And you have the confirmation sound, and also you have lightning signal. That means the vehicle it's started, right? So when you go in the car, press the unlock button. And then you put the key. So you still have to put the key on this, because if you don't put the key, you don't put this key, as soon you press the brakes, the vehicle will stop for security reason, because you don't want anybody driving your car without your key. So you still have to put the key just to the on position, and then that's about it. As soon you press the brake, it will turn off the remote start, and it will the key will continue the ignition to turn on. So as you can see, if I press the brakes now, right, without the key, it will shut off. There you go. Right, but if you put the key in, it will not shut up. It will continue. Then you can drive out. Right. So that's it. Thank you for watching.